We outside in Ibex. Ibex, Tim and I had a chance to go check them out and hang out with them. They really love doing what they do.
Yeah, they do. They
I think
enjoy it.
That matters.
And you can see it in the construction of the unit. You know, I mean, they do some extra things they don't need to do, which is really awesome. And this was kind of cool, but they were in the top 10 2021 RVs by RV Business. So you know you got to be doing something really right. And you have to be excited about what you're doing.
Right.
You know, just like the knobby tires and stuff that they put on these things, and they're just absolutely beautiful, and they're just built like a tank.
Well, the tires alone are awesome looking. You know, it just looks rugged, like it could handle a lot.
No, it doesn't. It's sitting up a little bit higher too, so you get a little more clearance.
Yeah.
You know, with it, and it's just really a nice coach.
Yeah. So on the outside, you get your awning. You got a place for your, I'm assuming, a griddle.
Yep.
Comes with it. And plug in.
You've got your quick gas hookup there, and you've got electric on the outside. The back of it, which is this is a little bit different, but the water heater's on the back, which is nice because a lot of times they're on the side, and then you sit in front of them and they kick on, and you're getting all this really hot air and stuff on you in the summer that you hate. So yeah, they've really thought it through. They're trying to make the living space where you would hang out actually livable. If that makes sense. So, you know, just something as small as placing the hot water heater back here instead of right here is an enormous thing when you actually can. And what they've done, you know, when they first started Ibex, one of the first things they did was they made everybody, engineers, developers, right, salespeople, everybody had to go camp.
Wow.
You had to bring your family, you had to go camp, and then they were able to figure out, wait a minute, if we can avoid it, don't put the water heater right here. That's where we sit.
Yeah. That's awesome.
So little things like that came out of it, and they've got a lot better product because of it.
Wow, that's amazing. All right, well, I say we get inside and take a look. All right, we are back. This might be the 6th or 7th RV we walked through today with a Murphy bed.
Yeah, they're so popular now.
Yeah, well, it saves so much room.
It does, and you know, you get a real mattress this way where, you know, some of the older ones, they used to have you sleep on the couch, and the problem was it's not comfortable. You know, and as you get a little bit older, sometimes your body gets a little less forgiving. Yeah. So you really do want a mattress.
Okay. So that's what that is, obviously a Murphy bed. This will drop down, you drop the bed down, but we've got storage on either side here and over there. You got outlets over here, you got a USB over here. Actually, there's an outlet right back here also. Oh my gosh. I moved a little weird yesterday.
See?
I worked yesterday, now my legs are
what we're
killing me.
talking
Yeah. So there's your TV, there's your entertainment center. It can move, you can get the arm to move it around and all that.
Yeah, you know, and you see they've got, even seriously, they've got the hookups for the CPAP machines.
Yeah.
I mean, they've kind of thought everything through, you know. You've got the residential refrigerator, which people are kind of all leaning towards now. Now that they've got out there. At first people were upset about them, now they love them. But, you know, the whole thing is just meant to be lightweight, very, very rugged. You've got a 2-burner cooktop there. You still have the microwave.
That's a convection down there, isn't it?
Yeah, convection microwave. And the really cool thing about that is it kind of makes you think all of them should be located down there because they used to be up high. And that's kind of terrifying.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, you're cooking soup and you bring hot soup out, warming up your coffee.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You know,
put it down there where the oven normally is.
Yeah, exactly. You know, and a huge sink in this thing, that was kind of impressive to me. Stainless steel. You've got residential faucets, you know, it's really thought out.
And a big counter area, you got this to serve as some more counter space when you're not using that.
No, exactly. I mean, someone really thought through this whole couch. I thought it was kind of neat, too, that they have the vacuum system.
Yeah, I love these things. We need to show it off someday. We need to bring some dirt in and show how it works.
Exactly.
All right, so the dinette area, obviously a little smaller for
Still makes into a bed, though.
Yeah.
Which is kind of cool.
You got some storage above it.
You got a full-size, I'll get out of the room, or out of the way, but you've got a full-size shower back there. Toilet, sink area.
There you go, the water miser on there.
Yep. I mean, it really has everything every other one has. You've even got a nice size air conditioner on it. You're going to be plenty cool, believe me.
Toilet and plenty of storage space. Oh, look at that. There you go.
Oh yeah, tons of space.
Lots of space there. So if you don't have enough to hang clothes, you can hang clothes here, put your towels here. Yeah. Nice use of space in this thing.
Yeah, very well built, and it's still one of the more affordable RVs made. And you know, we just Rockwood and Ibex, we just do not get warranty complaints on.
Really, that's a good thing.
They're built very, very well, and they hold their value, and you know that makes people happy.
Yeah,
very happy.
that's awesome.